This is the last video in this course on Platonic solids. There's a couple of things I'd like to mention before we finish. One is that I referred earlier in the course to the ratio between the diagonal of a regular pentagon and its side. If the side of the regular pentagon is 1, then the diagonal is phi. If you're not familiar with this relationship, I have a course I'm going to upload to this platform called the Golden Ratio, where we investigate this relationship using a compass and straight edge. And after you do that course, you'll understand that relationship. That course, the Golden Ratio, is another hands-on one, and it uses a compass and straight edge. I try and teach as much as possible in a hands-on way, because I learnt as a teacher it's the best way for students to learn. The understanding that comes with hands-on activities is permanent. It's not temporary, like that formula you learn this week and you've forgotten it next week or next semester. It's lifelong. If you'd like to study the Platonic solids in a deeper and more theoretical way, there's the work of others online, which is also free. One academic is Herman Serres at Ghent University in Belgium, and here is his web address. The revolving model that I use in this course, there it is there, is his creation, and he allowed me to use it for free, and I thank him for that. Why don't you join me in another hands-on maths course on this platform?